Hey guys, this is a short spoiler review about the book What If It's Us, written by Becky Albertelli and Adam Silvera. Let's dive into the story. Arthur is in New York for his summer internship, and Ben has just had a bad breakup. When Ben carries a box full of his ex-boyfriend's belongings to post office to send it back, he bumps into Arthur. They just meet for a couple of minutes where they don't even talk to each other. They don't share names or contact details. With literally having bits and pieces of information, they try to find each other in New York. How they find their way to each other is the rest of the story. I really like this book a lot. From the way they find each other after their first encounter to awkward dates to silly misunderstandings to beautiful love, it was really good. I totally appreciated the ending. It was just practical and perfect rather than superficial. That actually gives hope for the second book. Yes, there is a second book that is expected to be published in 2021. What bugged me most was the timeline of the entire story. Within 2 months, they just go from complete strangers to lovers. With all the characters, the timeline could have been stretched. I mean, simply few months added to each date would have made it like actually progressing at a normal rate. Maybe their love had to be rushed because summer internship is supposed to be only 2 months long, but that was simply not acceptable. Next thing was pop culture reference. I get it that it's a thing now, but it was too much to handle in several places. I'm a person who has no idea about Hamilton musical, and I kind of skipped whenever that was referred in in their conversation. Not everybody who is reading this book will be from America to know about Hamilton musical. Otherwise, this book was really good. The combination of Becky and Adam's writing complemented each other, bringing out the best in them. I would rate this book a 4 out of 5. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this review, hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep reading books. Until the next review, this is Darshini signing off.